What's happening, YouTubers? I've been wanting a pressure washer for many years. Never pulled the trigger on one. Did all kinds of research online. First, of course, I started with, the gasoline-powered ones. Then I thought, okay, let's take a look at what electric ones are out there. And this one was 5-star rated all across the board. NXG2200. You can find this guy all over the internet. It is heavy duty. It is easy to move around. It's got some good wheels. It even has a little raise and lower arm so that you can move it around easily. It comes with 4 different little tips that go on the end of the wand for different spray patterns and whatnot. It also comes with this very nifty little foaming bottle. So you attach this in place of your usual tip on the end, and then you can spray, foamy cleaner, whatever cleaner you choose, onto whatever you want to wash. Just for an experiment, I've been cleaning off this very old bench, and it's pretty obvious what I've already worked on here. Compare the two easily. Same on the little pavers down beneath. You can see what I've cleaned already. This thing is fantastic and was not expensive at all. However, of course, I'm always skeptical of something that's inexpensive like that. Shoot, this thing is, I would call it heavy, which is a good thing. It's quiet. It's powerful. Shoot. All I can say is I recommend it. And I'll demonstrate it real quick for you. I also, for the heck of it, cleaned a spot down here on my concrete, down below one of my tires that I'm cleaning. Look at how it cleaned off the spot on the concrete there. Fantastic. I'm going to do a little demonstration of foaming it up with the little foaming attachment. I'll foam this up back in here, and all I'm using is simple green right here. So you pour your cleaner solution into that little bottle, attach the bottle to the end of the wand, and you can adjust the spray pattern of the foaming also, or how much solution you want to spray out. Really, really nifty. So I'll demonstrate that right now.